Okay, this exercise is actually help you to differentiate what's the difference between quadratic expression and solving the following quadratic equation. First, we move to your left side here to identify what's the meaning of factorize the following. So factorize means you have to find out what's the factor. And from the previous lesson that you have learned, so x squared minus 3x minus 10, what you will get is x minus 5, x plus 2. Okay, so this is actually what you have learned previously, x minus 5, x plus 2. And for m squared minus 2m minus 15, after you factorize it, you'll probably be getting minus 5 and m plus 3. Okay. And the last one will be m squared minus 25m. After you factorize, you'll be getting m minus 25. Okay. And now we move on to your right side here. Solving the following quadratic equation, find the roots of the quadratic equation. Essentially, these two terms or these two sentences means the same. Solve the following quadratic equation or finding the roots. Basically, you need to find out what is the x values. As you can see, there are actually x squared here. That means there can be a possible two values of x or one value of x. So the difference between this expression and this equation is that for equation, you have an equal sign here. So that's why you need to find out what is the value of the x. So same thing, you need to factorize this part. So you'll be getting x minus 5, x plus 2 equals to 0. Next, what you need to do is, assuming that this x plus 2, you move it to your right side. So therefore, you'll be getting 0 divided by x plus 2, which is equal to 0. So that's why you have x minus 5 equals to 0. Or you can move this x minus 5 to your right-hand side, and therefore it will become 0 divided by x minus 5. That's when you get x plus 2 equals to 0. So lastly, you'll be getting x equals to 5 or x equals to negative 2. Okay, next we move on to this one, m squared minus 2m minus 15 equals to 0. So after you factorize it, you can write m minus 5, m plus 3, to 0, and your final answer will be m equals to 5 or m equals to negative 3. Okay, the next one will be m bracket m minus 25 close bracket equals to 0. Okay. The next thing you need to do is, assuming that this is actually one term here, m, the other term will be m minus 25. So you'll be getting m equals to 0 or m minus 25 equals to 0. So therefore, there are two answers for this one, which is m equals to 0 or m equals to 25. Thank you for watching.